all these AI agents that are being developed, most of them are attacking first the software stack layer, the software developer layer, which has been our main core strength. How do you see India growing now or taking this head on? Because this is the first layer that is being attacked with these new gen AI agents. So can you give us an insight into that?
Yeah, look, I think क्या हो रहा है ना कि सब लोग सोच रहे हैं कि इंडिया के IT सर्विसेज गायब हो जाएंगे because what the LLMs are doing is attacking coding as a use case.
जी.
लेकिन यार, I mean, थोड़ा सच है उसमें, because if we don't adapt, then of course we will become extinct, or IT services companies will lose. But I think the key question should be a little different, because nobody can simply take an LLM and replace the enterprise workflows with it. उसमें बहुत सारा काम लगता है. And AI can be very dangerous if you don't implement it correctly. So I think you're going to need a lot of service companies to start helping the big frontier AI companies to implement their technology. And if you notice, Anthropic and OpenAI themselves have invested very large capital in services companies because they've realized that you need that stack to be able to implement the AI correctly and extract the benefits out of it. So I think the challenge before IT services companies is to quickly become enablers of AI for enterprise clients across the world and do it rapidly and invest head on into that area, because that's the space they know well. And the second area is, of course, for them to be looking and thinking about what product capabilities they can develop to emerge as large IP companies over the next 10 years.
Absolutely. We need to own the playground, not just be a player.
Absolutely. Couldn't have said it better.